Hello, good day everyone. Today we will do the unboxing of Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi. So this is the UWIN modem with free 10 GB of data valid for 7 days. So plug and play lang po ito. So when you buy, make sure that it is sealed to make sure that it is new and it has never been used before. So let's open it. So a while ago I cut that one, the seal. So this is the modem. So di pala siya malaki, so maliit lang siya. Okay. So at the back, you'll see that you need to download the Globe at Home app. Okay, so you can download it via the Play Store and the App Store for iPhone users. So here, meron pala siyang LAN for the LAN cable, and this one is the power. So let's see what's inside. So meron siyang SIM. So wala siyang SIM dito, so I guess na nasa loob na siya ng modem. Okay, then
Lily.
wait kuya. Okay, so ilabas natin. So this is the power adapter. Yes, power adapter. And then the LAN cable. So pwede ko na siya i-connect sa laptop ko directly. And then this is the warranty certificate. So it's very important to have this warranty certificate. And then the user guide. So if you have questions, this user guide or manual will be the one to answer your questions. Then this one is the quick setup guide. So okay.